This is the old one. Countdown test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see we've changed and took this white one out. There's a red one in, which should be filling up the system faster. So that's a quick how to do. And now, as a real test, I'm gonna put a timer onto the screen like we saw at the beginning, which will enable and will answer if it does run faster. But through obviously me showing you the size of the orifice, which is the hole, the other one's a lot bigger, so it should work straight away. But let's put it to the test. Countdown test. 1, 2, 3,